Hello friends, welcome to my channel Academic Made Easy PC. If you have not subscribed my channel, subscribe it and also click the bell icon. In this video, we will be learning Chapter 2 Inverse Trigonometric Functions of Class 12. So, in this video, we will be learning only the introduction. So, now let's move on. First, let me give you all the definition for inverse. The inverse of a function from A to B exists if f is 1 to 1 and onto, that is bijective, and is given by y is equal to f of x, that is f inverse of y is equal to x. Already I have taught you in the previous chapter what is 1 to 1 and onto, that is bijective function. If you have not watched that video, I will attach the link in the description box. You just watch it so that you'll be very clear. So f should be 1 to 1 and onto. Then we have inverse for the given function. Is that okay? Now we will be learning the very important part in trigonometry. Very important. Here principal value branch means that is the domain and range of the function only is given here. That is the trigonometric functions is given here. So you have to be very clear to attend all the answers. So now let's move on. Sin inverse x is equal to y. Then what is its domain and range? So domain will be -1, 1. That is, this will be a closed brackets. Then it is called closed interval. Domain also closed interval, range also closed interval. Is that okay? So minus pi by 2, pi by 2. This is its range. Wherever, whatever value it is, the range and domain will be same for sin inverse x. Okay, so next cos inverse x is equal to y. Here same -1, 1 to 0 to pi. Both also included. So this is the domain and range for cos inverse x. So next tan inverse x is equal to y. R here represents a set of real numbers and this is open interval. So minus pi by 2, pi by 2. So cosecant inverse x is equal to y means r minus -1, 1. This is the open interval and its range will be minus pi by 2, pi by 2 minus 0. So here the same here, sin inverse will be here. Instead only r will be there. Then this one will be within opened intervals. This will be excluded. And the domain over here, no, it will be same except 0. Only 0 will not be present for cosecant inverse x. Next for secant inverse x. So here also just relate with cos. So r minus -1, 1 is 2. What will be its range? So 0 to pi, no? So here also 0, pi, exit pi by 2. So here it will be pi by 2 means cos is 0 and pi by 2, isn't it? So what is sec? 1 by cos is sec, no. So 1 by 0 is not defined, so only we are excluding here. Here also the same. 1 by sin is only called as cosecant. So 1 by 0 is not defined, so therefore we are excluding the 0. Next here for cot inverse x, r to 0, pi. Here it is minus pi by 2. This will be related with sin here. Cot will be related with cos. So here you should be very clear. Just relate sin and cosec, cos and sec. Then tan with sin and cot with cos. Is that okay? If you just relate it and study, it will be very easy. If you want any new method or an easy method, or if it is confusing for you all, just mention it in the comment box. I will make a clear-cut video and an easy way to learn this. Properties of inverse trigonometric functions. So these properties are very very important. So wherever we go or whatever exercise we take in this chapter, this one is very 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 important. For each and every sums we will be using these properties only. Okay, everything is interrelated. So we have to be very very clear with these properties. Seeing these properties, you may think so many properties, how can I keep this all in my mind? So it's very very easy. See, I have splitted all these formulas into 8 parts. So we have 8 types of properties. Okay, so now first if we take sine inverse of sine theta, here it is inverse is given and the function is given. Okay, so sine is here, sine inverse also is here. So sine inverse of sine theta is equal to theta. Just see here, sine and sine inverse is here, theta. So sine inverse means what? 1 by sine, isn't it? So I will cancel sine and sine. So I will get theta as my answer. So here same for cos inverse of cos theta is equal to theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is equal to theta. Cosecant inverse of cosecant theta is equal to theta. Secant inverse of secant theta is equal to theta. Cot inverse of cot theta is equal to theta. This is the first set of formula. So till here it is first set. If you want just learn it like this, it will be very very easy and useful. So therefore here this till here first part is over. So the inverse and the function, if it is given, you will cancel these two and write only theta. So this part is very easy, no? So now first part of the properties is over. So now we'll move on to the second part. So we all know that 1 by sine is equal to cos, sine theta is equal to cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is equal to secant theta. 1 by tan theta is equal to cot theta. Isn't it? The same thing is applied over here, but sine inverse of 1 by x is equal to cosecant theta. The same concept but with 1 by x. Is that okay? So here sine inverse of 1 by x is equal to cosecant inverse x. So here since it is inverse, we are writing like this. If it is not inverse, we will be writing it in this way. So in this chapter, we will be learning all the inverse only. So only everything is in inverse. So cos inverse of 1 by x is secant inverse x. Same thing is written, no? Next one, tan inverse of 1 by x is equal to cot inverse x. So till here second part is over. If you want, and I have one more method, just see here. For example, now let us take sine inverse 1 by x is equal to cosecant inverse x. Just have this as an example. So now leave out this sine inverse and cosecant inverse. So it will be 1 by x is equal to x. No. So as I said already, 1 by sine x is equal to cosecant x. No. The same thing. See here 1 by x. 1 by sine x is equal to cosecant x. No. The same thing is here. Are you able to find it? That's it. So if you find for all these, you will have the same. Now we'll see third part of the property. See here, this part will be with minus x. Okay, so the function with minus x, what is that? Let's see. Sine inverse minus x is equal to minus sine x. Cos inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse minus x is equal to minus tan inverse x. Cosecant inverse minus x is equal to minus cosecant inverse x. Secant inverse minus x is equal to pi minus secant inverse x. Cot inverse minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. Just group sine, tan and cosec. These three together. So if these three, sine, tan and cosec is with minus x, then it will become minus sine, minus tan and minus cosec. So if you take cos cos, sec and cot. So if that is with minus sign, minus x, then it will be pi minus that function. For example, when we take cos inverse minus x, then it will be pi minus cos inverse x. Secant inverse minus x, pi minus secant inverse x. Cot inverse minus x, then pi minus cot inverse x. Is that okay? This is the third part. Now let us learn the fourth part of the property. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Cosecant inverse plus secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So group sin cos, cosecant secant, tan inverse and cot inverse together so that we will get pi by 2. This is one of the most frequently asked 1 mark questions. In 1 mark questions, we will be applying these formulas and finding the answer. So this is one of the important set of properties in 1 marks. Fifth set. In this set of properties, we will be learning the addition and subtraction of the function itself. So, sin inverse x plus sin inverse y is equal to sin inverse x into root of 1 minus y square plus y into root of 1 minus x square. So, just we have already learnt what is sin x plus sin y. No, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. The same thing, let this be a sin and let this be cos. If you just learn it like this, it will be easy. So here this is sin x cos y, cos x sin y. Is that okay? It is just similar to that. Just learn, relate it and learn so that it will be very, very easy for you all. So next is cos inverse x plus cos inverse y is equal to cos inverse xy minus root of 1 minus y square into root of 1 minus x square. So this also is same, similar. If plus is over here, minus will be in the right hand side. No, so cos x cos y into sin x sin y. No, just similar, so that only we have written x into y minus root of 1 minus y square into root of 1 minus x square. Here next is sin inverse x minus sin inverse y. Here also the same, sin inverse x into root of 1 minus y square minus y into root of 1 minus x square. So the same thing, only sign will be changed. Even for cos inverse x minus cos inverse y, these two will be related. Here it is minus, so here it will be plus. So x into y plus root of 1 minus y square into root of 1 minus x square. So next we will move on to tan inverse x plus tan inverse y. So we have already learned tan x plus tan y is equal to tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x into tan y, isn't it? In 11th standard, the same thing, only tan inverse is taken out. Tan inverse is taken out and x plus y divided by 1 minus x into y. Only this is different. So next we will learn tan inverse x minus tan inverse y, which is equal to the same thing, tan inverse x minus tan inverse y is equal to tan x minus tan y divided by 1 plus tan x into tan y. So the same thing here, tan inverse x minus y divided by 1 plus xy. This is the fifth set of formulas. Now we will be learning sixth set of properties, that is twice of some function. For example, here it is 2 sin inverse x. Now, so here it's 2 cos inverse x, 2 tan inverse x. This one we will be learning in this set of formulas. So this is also one of the important formulas. That is sin inverse of 2x into root of 1 minus x square. Even this is very, very similar to sin 2x. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x. So even this is similar, no? So when we take this x as sine, and here it will be sine square, no? So root of 1 minus sine square is cos. So it will be 2 sine x and cos x. So this is very similar to this formula. So even this formula is very easy. And here 2 cos inverse of x is equal to cos inverse 2 x square minus 1. So here this formula also 2 cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. So this only they have given, but only thing is that cos is taken out and only x is present over here. So this will be 2x square minus 1. So this is also done. So next one, when we go to 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. Even this is very similar. Tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x by 1 minus tan square x. So this is very similar to this, no? So tan is taken out only, so 2x 1 minus x square. So directly it is given. So only inverse is taken out, only that is the difference. And we are writing 2 tan inverse of x in terms of sine inverse. So we already know that 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x. No, that only they have given sine inverse of 2x divided by 1 plus x square. So next here 2 tan inverse x is equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square divided by 1 plus x square. So this is the 6th set of formula, which is very important. Now let's move on to the 7th set of formulas. This will be thrice a function. So here it is 3 sine inverse x, 3 cos inverse x, 3 tan inverse x. So here also we have already learnt sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. Now, so here also the same thing is given, only sine inverse is taken out. So 3x minus 4x cube. That's it. So next one will be 3 cos inverse x is equal to cos inverse 4x cube minus 3x. This is also same, where cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. This is the formula. So here the inverse is given, just same as it is, only taking the inverse out, and x and all is here. Then 3 tan inverse x, here also same, tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x minus tan cube x divided minus 3 tan square x. The same thing in inverse is given. So if you are thorough with the class 11 formulas, this one will be very easy. So this is the 7th set of formulas, and now we'll see the last set of formulas. Now let us learn the 8th set of formulas. In this set of formulas we will be learning a function in terms of another function. For example, sine inverse can be represented as cos inverse also. Sine inverse can be in the form of tan inverse too. So therefore we will be learning that. So here now let's see first, sine inverse x is equal to cos inverse root of 1 minus x square. So we know that sine x is equal to root of 1 minus cos square x. No, the same thing here, cos inverse is taken out, only with x we are dealing with. So here it will be cos inverse of root of 1 minus x square. So only this is here. Okay. So next, sine inverse x in terms of tan inverse, it will be tan inverse of x by root of 1 minus x square. So here it is like that. Next, cos inverse x, here also the same, cos x is equal to root of 1 minus sine square x. No, here also sine inverse of root of 1 minus x square. So here tan inverse will be just the reciprocal of this. See, when you just see both also, x by root of 1 minus x square, here it is root of 1 minus x square divided by x. Just relate these two. for both cos and sine it will be same. So root of 1 minus x square will be same. For sine, the root of 1 minus x square and tan inverse it will be in the denominator. For cos it will be in the numerator. Next, tan in terms of sine and cos. So tan x in terms of sine inverse is x by root of 1 plus x square. Cos inverse 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Here for sine it will be x by root of 1 plus x square. For cos just 1 by root of 1 plus x square. That's it. So the set of properties in inverse function is over. Till now we were seeing the properties for inverse functions. Now we will just see the trigonometric functions which we have already learnt. It's just like a recap so that we can easily apply it in the questions and we can find it. So directly we cannot be finding with inverse functions. We have to apply these properties also. So only we are just recapping this one. So this all we have learnt it in 10th standard itself and 11th standard also. So we will be just revising that formulas. So sine square x plus cos square x is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square x is equal to secant square x. 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosecant square x. You have to just relate sine, cos, tan, sec, cot and cosec. Then after that cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sine square x. Cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sine square x. So you have to be very clear with this, and this can be asked in any way. For example, when cos x is alone given, here look here, when you just see here it is 2x. No, here when you have it here you have only x, so it means 2x by 2. So 2 gets cancelled, so only x is left over. So in case if cos x is given, then what will be my right hand side? Cos x alone, if it is given, it will be cos square x by 2 minus sine square x by 2. Is that clear? So this way we will be doing, and cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x minus 1. No, so also we will be having cos 2x plus 1 plus 1. Even if we have it like this, this formula only will be used. So cos 2x plus 1 means what? We are taking this 1 this side, so it will be cos 2x plus 1, which is 2 cos square x. So however it is asked, we have to be in the position to answer it. So we have to be very clear with all these formulas. And next, sine 2x is equal to 2 sine x cos x. So here also 2x is given, here only x is taken. So what in case if we have sine x? It will be 2 sine x by 2 into cos x by 2. Okay, half of the value. So sine 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 plus tan square x, and next tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. So however it is asked, if in case 4 sine 3x or only sine 3x is given, we have to be in the position to interchange everything and use it. No, so only I have given all this formula. So be very clear to attend all the questions. So cos 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos square x. For example, when only cos cube x is given, what will we do? Do we have any formulas? No. So then we will be substituting cos 3x plus 3 cos x. Just taking it this side. So we will have cos 3x plus 3 cos x divided by 4 is equal to cos cube x. So however the question is asked, you have to be in the position to answer it. So be very clear with this. Last formula is tan 3x. Tan 3x is equal to 3 tan x plus tan cube x divided by 1 minus tan square x. This is the formula, and this is also very important, and by this the properties is over. If any such properties is really needed, or if I have missed in this, I will teach you when we are doing the exercise sums. So if you have any doubts in these formulas, or if you want any easy methods, mention it in the comment box. I will make another video which gives you more easy idea. If you have any doubts, mention it in the comment box.
Like, comment, share and subscribe.